All right, so we're just gonna lay our biscuits halfway into our container. All right, so we're just gonna peel our biscuits in half, and we're gonna lay them in our muffin tin. Get them a good pat down, make sure they're all the way to the bottom. Right, now we're gonna go in with some marinara sauce. Perfect. So probably like 1 tablespoonish for each muffin. Just spread that out a little bit. Make sure it's all on the bottom. All right, looks good. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go in with some mozzarella cheese. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this on there. Depending on what you like, you can always add more or less cheese. This is a super quick and easy little snack. Your kids will love these. Now I'm just gonna go in with some pepperoni. Okay, perfect right there. And this one. You can always add more or less, whatever. You can also use all different kinds of like toppings. You can use peppers, pineapple. I really do like pineapple on my pizza. Okay, now we're gonna pop these in the oven at 375 for about 10 minutes. These look so good. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to dig in. All right, I'm gonna try to take this one out right here. Oh! There we go. Wow, that looks super good. Okay, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then I'm gonna cut it and dig in. Oh yeah. Give it a little cut. I'm super hungry, and this looks like just what I need. Cheers. It's really hot. But they're really, really good. Worth burning my tongue off for.